Hello, in this video we'll be checking out performance of a charger that comes with a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. So right here I have this charger. Here's a Gosund smart socket in which we're gonna plug the charger and it should tell us exact performance right here on this phone. So now let's plug it into the power source. Connect it to the phone. It should start charging right now, and now let's move to the electric tab on this device and we'll be able to see the statistics in about 30 seconds. So here the statistics should be somewhat stable and we can see them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.